Hello people of the world, this is the Shark Ant and welcome back to Hungry Shark World. Now as you can see, I've got a new aircraft propeller. And there's a new contest in the... in the Harbor Special map. And we're gonna go to it right now. I'm sorry if I haven't been all that productive lately, but there was other stuff I was doing. I was having so much fun doing stuff other than Let's Plays. Anyway, with all that being said, I got a new string for my guitar. Hooray! I'm the best! Anyway. Yeah, I got a new string for my guitar. I was supposed to get my new string on Saturday, but apparently the store that sold the guitar strings for my acoustic was not open. And there was another one that was going to be closer to my area that hasn't opened yet. They said it wouldn't open till Monday, and now it's Wednesday. And the bottom of my... never mind. Bottom of my foot is itchy. I'm talking about my... never mind. My left foot. Or right foot. Why do I get left and right mixed up? I don't know. Anyway. By the way, it took some time to actually get the string on. Because a few times the first string broke. The second one is pretty good, but Dad messed it up. He put it on backwards, and I think it's now, yeah, it tunes differently. It tunes backwards. Oh, there's a mosquito! Hold on. Hey, where are you going? Hey, Skeeter, where are you? Hold still so I can kill you. Hello? Where'd the mosquito go? Bottom of my footy foot. Where did the mosquito go? Where did it go? Where are you? Where are you? Hello! Show yourself! I'll just go back to playing the game. And kill the mosquito later. Oh, my force field is almost gone. Boy, it's been a while. Oh, it is gone. What? I'm dumb. Anyway, I'm happy I have... By the way, I forgot to mention that I have 5 sets of strings. In two of them, the second string broke. In one of them, the second string broke. Two of them is currently... the second one's currently being used. Hopefully when that one breaks, I can fix it up. And everything will be great again. And I'll play... and I promised more guitar videos were on their way. Anyway, but... yeah. Let's continue eating stuff. Whoa. Where is all that stuff coming from? I don't know. This is where all this stuff's coming from. It's coming from up here. Okay, I'm going to own that mosquito when I'm gonna own that mosquito in a little bit. Oh, a deep sea sub. I'm dead. Shark explosion. Never mind, we can use a gem. Yay! I exploded him. Hooray! Anyway, I think we're doing good. I hope we're not doing too bad, because a killer whale should be able to go a far distance. Oh, what am I doing that for? Get over here. I gotta start putting that thing in a more convenient area. Because whenever whenever it's on that side, I'm bound to move it around a lot. I should readjust my seating area because you guys like to see the red paint in the background. Oh my goodness, I should not stick out my foot like that. The skeeters love sucking the blood out of the bottom of your feet. They just love it, don't they? I'm living with a skeeter. I'm living with a skeeter. A skeeter. Hello? You gonna fight me? Gonna take me on like a man? Like you did that one time? Oh, Nautilus took him out. Did he take out that other one? I hope he did. Oh, I'm starving. Look for some food. Look for some good food. Food. Oh, there's blobfish everywhere. Eat them. That'll do you a lot of good. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Okay. There we go. We got it. Oh, health critical. I've been skewered by a harpoon, it seems. Oh, it's a spear. Because divers don't shoot harpoons, they shoot spears. Anyway, we're doing good. Except for the fact that I didn't equip the unstoppable. Yeah, I probably should have done that. I will when this thing ends. Oh my goodness. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Didn't do too bad. Got 7,653. It's a pretty good score, in my opinion. Hold on, I'll be right back. Let me get the unstoppable power-up. Alright. We should be unstoppable now. To be honest, I think I should have picked Big Mama for this endeavor because, well, you don't even need to equip the unstoppable power-up to do this sort of thing because she has tough armor which prevents her from flinching when she goes through mines or gets attacked by spears. Anyway. Whoa, what's going on here? Oh, there's a great white that just got blown up. Alright. We're doing nice. We're doing good. Ow. Energy low, come on. Okay, there we go. We're just fine now. Oh, where'd that... Oh yeah, the gemfish. Okay, we're doing just fine. Where'd it go? Hello? Where are you? Nautilus! Where are you? I need you! Oh. Whatever. Did he even do it? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Wow, this is... Wait, has anyone realized that... Never mind. I should just shut up. Because none of you will believe anything I say. Anyway, let's get back to the action and actually play the game. Because that's what people like seeing. me playing the game and actually commentating the correct way, not the incorrect way. Oh, yeah, I just owned that mini sub. I just owned him. And my force field is destroyed. Okay. Now okay, I can't fit through there. There's no... In fact, that's not even a hole, it was just a... Okay, anyway, let's try this. Why am I saying this? Why am I saying stuff that doesn't make sense? Why am I saying stuff that doesn't make sense? I have no idea. I'm trying to be a good commentator, but the stuff that comes out of my mouth is rather strange and senseless and very annoying to listen to. And I don't know the words. I can't describe my own commentary. I can't think of any possible way to describe what I'm saying. It's just, I have a learning disability, and I just can't talk properly like normal people would, and people think I'm just trying to be annoying when I'm not. I'm really not. Did I ever tell you I'm scared of the loud snapping sound that emits when guitar strings break? Just like I'm afraid of the loud sound that balloons make when they pop. We're not done yet. We won't be done until the end of time. We're doing better now. Yay! Come on, I want to get to at least 800, or 8,000, I mean. I'm probably not gonna, but whatever. What? There was stuff back here. Okay, that was better, but not 8,000, but I guess that'll do, because it's more than 8,000. So anyway, that was the new propeller, the aircraft propeller that I got. And yeah, that's about it. It increases your boost speed by, I believe, 15%. And I got more gold, and I got a higher score. Okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. Really helps me out. And don't forget to share this video all over the internet. With all that being said, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Games, guitars, guitar music, vlogs, you name it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.